Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking the AirPods Pro White Light behavior on the charging case. Place both AirPods into the case and close the lid for 5 seconds. Open the lid and observe the LED for steady white, pulsing white, or amber. A steady white light indicates pairing mode on newer firmware and Bluetooth readiness. A pulsing white light suggests waiting during reconnection or active pairing attempt. An amber or no light points to low battery or hardware trouble needing charge. If your iPhone does not detect the AirPods, try basic troubleshooting steps next. Resetting the AirPods Pro often clears firmware glitches causing a white light problem. With the lid open, press and hold the setup button for at least 15 seconds. Release the button when the LED flashes amber then white, indicating a successful reset. After reset, move the case within 2 inches of your iPhone and follow on-screen prompts. Reconnect by selecting AirPods Pro in Bluetooth settings and tap Connect when prompted. If reconnection fails, charge the case and AirPods for 30 minutes, then retry pairing. If resets fail, update your iPhone and AirPods firmware before further troubleshooting. Check Bluetooth settings, toggle Bluetooth off and restart your iPhone. Try charging the case with an Apple-certified Lightning cable for at least 30 minutes. Inspect the Lightning port for debris and gently clean with a soft, dry brush. If the white light persists or hardware damage appears, contact Apple support or visit a store. Keep proof of purchase and device serial numbers in case warranty service is required.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.